Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. Rishabh Shukla present.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. प्रतिष्ठा बेटा, आपके कुछ ज्यादा नेटवर्क इशू हो रहा है, तो
Good morning, sir.
गुड मॉर्निंग.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Pratishtha, your voice is not coming clearly. Okay, there is some network issue.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. Abhiyan beta, good morning. Are you back to Bareilly? Good. हाँ जी.
Sir, what are we going to do today?
Okay. Can you tell me what we did in the last class?
Sir, we have done
Sir, you were
circles.
telling about circles.
Okay.
Sir, today we have to do this one, page number 156.
Okay. So I gave you an introduction about circles. I was telling what is a circle, what is the diameter of a circle, what is the chord of a circle. Do you all remember all these things?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I will be making some things here on the board, and I will ask you what is what. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So don't speak right now. When I ask you, only then you answer.
Sir, to tell what is that, we have to also make a notebook.
No, you don't have to make anything in your notebook right now.
Sir,
Don't make-
shall we write in chat box?
No, wait. I will tell you what to do. Okay. Just wait. Anything else?
Okay, sir.
Okay. This much only. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
I have drawn 4 figures on the board. Okay. So now you open the chat box and you have to tell me what is this in the first figure. What is this AB? Write your answer in the chat box. What is AB in the first figure?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, I have sent the answer.
Okay, very good. You have to answer that what is AB in the फर्स्ट फिगर ए बी यहाँ पर क्या है?
Sir, please tell the answer.
Yes, I'm waiting for some more students to answer. Only 3 of you have given the answers till now. All of you, please answer in the chat box. Everyone. I don't know why you all don't answer. You should answer.
Sir, I know what all the figures drawn on the board are.
Sorry, beta. Aswa, what are you saying?
Sir, I am saying that in the first that you have told, like, what is that line in between? So, sir, like this, in the third one, you have made a line in between and then put a line across it. So, sir, I know what it is. Sir, I
Okay,
know
good.
all of them.
Very good.
Sir, I also know.
Okay, so first one, the answer is diameter. AB is a
Yes, sir.
diameter of the circle
Yes, sir.
because it is a line segment which is having both the endpoints on the circle and it is passing through the center of the circle.
And we have to write in fair note.
Don't have to write anything. I'm just doing this to explain you the topic. You don't have to write anything. Just answer my questions. यही करना है आपको बस. Answer my questions in the chat box. Okay. So AB is diameter of the circle. First one. Second figure. Again, give your answers in the chat box. What is AO? What is AO? Give your answer in the chat box.
Sir, I have written in the chat box.
Sir, me too.
Very good.
Sir, me too.
Very good. So again, only 3 answers. In the last one, the first one to give the answer was Abhiyan, second was Bhakti, third was Asfa. In the last question. These 3 students gave the answers and correct answers. All the 3 of them gave the correct answers. Manji. What is AO in the second figure? यहाँ पर आपको AO बताना है क्या है. Okay. Tell me.
Radius. Radius.
Radius.
Chat box में बताना है बेटा.
तो chat box में भी बता दिया.
वैसे नहीं बताना.
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
Sir, मैंने भी बता दिया था.
Okay, so Abhiyan, Asfa, Acha, very good. This time there is one more student who has given the correct answer. First is Asfa, second is Bhakti, third is Abhiyan, and fourth is Aradhya. Very good. Aradhya, आपको special compliments मिलेंगे. Excellent, Aradhya. So all the 4 of you have given the correct answers. Radius is the right answer. Very good. Okay. Radius,
Okay,
this
sir.
is a radius. Okay, RADIUS. This is the spelling of radius. RADIUS. Okay. Next is okay. This not this one. ये नहीं बताना है. Okay. Not this one. Third वाला नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ. My question is My question is, what is the relation between a radius and a diameter? Diameter और radius में क्या relation होता है? Can you, okay, you raise your hands in the video, switch on your video and raise your hands, and then I will ask any one of you. Okay, you don't have to give your answer in the chat box this time. Chat box में answer नहीं देना है. You raise your hand. I will see who are the students who are raising their hand. You can raise your hand in the participant list also. उसमें भी hand raise का option होता है. So there also you can raise your hand, or you can say switch on your video and then raise your hand. Relation between radius and diameter. This is the question. You have to find what is the, you have to tell what is the, what is the relation between diameter and radius. So I can see Abhiyan, Asfa raising their hands like anything. I think they are going to touch their fans. Are you both going to touch the fans in your rooms? You're raising your hand so high.
Some maybe. Some maybe.
Maybe it is possible. हो सकता है hand raise करते करते height इतनी हो जाए कि hand fan को touch करने लगे. It's good that winters are going on, so the fans are not working. They are in rest mode. Otherwise, it would have been very risky. So Bhakti has switched off her video. Bhakti, you don't know the answer, Bhakti?
So I am confused.
You're confused. Okay. So I will ask both of you. Abhiyan, first you tell. Abhiyan, what is your answer? Yes. Tell me your answer, Abhiyan. What is the relation between diameter and radius?
Sir, the relation between diameter and radius is they both touches the center of the circle.
Sir, I was also telling the same only.
Same only. They both touch the center of the circle. You are telling the
Same.
similarity.
So they meet at the center.
They touch the center. Anji.
And sir, radius is the half of the diameter.
This is the relation that I am asking. Yeah, this is the correct answer. That the first answer that you gave, that is the similarity between radius and diameter. Similarity is they both touch the center. ये तो similar बात है दोनों में. But what is the relation? The radius is half of the diameter. Radius क्या होती है? Diameter is this much.
Okay, sir.
It starts from the, and both the endpoints are at the circle. This endpoint is also at the circle. The other endpoint is also at the circle. Whereas in radius, one endpoint is at the center and the other endpoint is at the circle. So radius जो है वो half होती है. Diameter की length की half कर देते हैं. अगर मैं diameter को half erase कर दूं, it will become a radius. देखो, if I erase the diameter like this, half of the diameter मैं यहाँ से गायब कर दूं, it will become what?
Radius.
It will become a radius. So can we say that radius is half of diameter?
Yes, sir.
So this is the relation which I was asking. So I think many
Yes,
of
sir.
you knew the answer, but you were confused at what I am trying to ask. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir. Sir, I thought
Yes,
the answer that I told was definitely correct.
Anji. So I think you all were a little confused about the question, but I
Yes,
know
yes,
that
sir.
many of you knew the answer. What is the answer? The answer is that the diameter is half. Sorry, radius is half of diameter. Okay. Very good. Now the third one, give your answer in the chat box. What is shown in this? What is this part? This shaded region? What is this called? You have to tell me. Third one, give your answer in the chat box. What is this shaded region?
sir. Then
Okay, I can see many of you
So
have
me
written.
too.
Okay. Anyone else? Aradhi, beta, are you giving me answer? Aradhi, what is the shaded region here? What do we call it in the third figure? Atulya Sharma, do you know it? Hamza, do you know it? Rishabh Shukla? No? Okay, the correct answer is semicircle. This is a semicircle.
Semi.
Even the unshaded
Yes, sir.
region in this figure is also a semicircle. These are two semicircles. Am I right or not?
Yes,
Circle
sir.
को
Yes,
if you
sir.
draw a diameter always divides the circle in two semicircles, in two equal parts, which are known as semicircles. Okay. Each of the part is a
Okay,
semicircle.
sir.
This is also a semicircle. This is
Yes.
also. Okay, both the parts are known as semicircles. Okay. So this was diameter, this was radius, this is semicircle, this is also a semicircle, both the shaded region and also the unshaded region, both are semicircles. Fourth one, again give your answer in the chat box. What is the fourth one?
Okay, sir.
Give your answer in the chat
Sir,
box.
I
अभियान को तो बहुत अच्छे से पता है फोर्थ वन क्या है.
Sir, I have written in the chat box.
Excellent.
Sir, I got out of the meeting due to internet connection.
Okay. Is it fine now? You
Yes,
have to
sir.
tell me what is the fourth one. What is shown by PQ? PQ is what in the fourth one? What is PQ? Okay. So answer is PQ is a chord. 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 Spelling of
Yes,
chord
sir.
is CHORD. Chord. This is known as a chord. Chord क्या होता है? Where a line segment which has both the endpoints on the circle. First endpoint is P, which is on the circle. Second endpoint is also on the circle, Q. So if I ask you, is this a line segment? You have to tell me, well, sorry, is this a chord or not? One more figure I am making here. So if I make, this is the center O. If I draw a line segment like this, P,
Sir, it's not a chord.
Q.
Sir,
It
it's
is
not
But this
touching
is
the
not a
end.
chord.
Sir, it's not touching the end of the circle. The other
Yes,
end.
sir. Yes,
It's
sir.
not fully completed.
okay, so this is not a chord. When the endpoints are on the circle, both the endpoints are on the circle, then only it is a chord. You mean to say this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so one more figure you have to tell. That means this should be a chord. If I draw like this, P, Q. Is this a chord?
Sir, this
No,
is also
sir.
sir because it's going out of the circle. Sir,
Yes,
it can't
sir. Sir, this is
out
not a
of
It
the
is
chord.
also not a
It
chord.
should be inside the circle.
Okay. Okay. So that means this is also not a chord. This is also not a chord. And
Yes,
this
sir.
is a chord. First one. This one is a chord.
Yes,
This
sir.
is
The
not a chord.
first one is correct.
Because again the reason is same. The endpoints should be on the circle. The first endpoint P is on the circle. The second endpoint Q is also on the circle. Here the endpoint Q is on the circle, but the endpoint P is not on the circle. Here also the case is same. P is on the circle, but Q is outside the circle. So that means this is also not a chord. That is also not a chord. Okay, this is looking like a fat boy. If I make eyes here, it looks like the fat boy is wearing a cap with a small nose. Fat boy with a small nose. Okay. So here, चलो एक और पूछ लेते हैं. Is this AB? What is this? AB is a chord. Can I say this AB is a chord? In the
Sir,
first.
no, because it is touching the center. Sir, it's a
Sir,
definite.
yes.
Sir,
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir. Sir, yes.
Sir, it is a chord. Sir, it is a chord. The diameter is the biggest chord.
Okay. Okay. So I like it
This
when
is a
students
chord.
give different answers. They some students say something, the other students say something else. When I like it when this happens. AB is a chord. It is a chord. Yes. The end point of the first, sorry, the first end point of the chord A, it is on the circle. It is on the circle. The other end point B, that is also on the circle. So it is a chord. Yes, it is also a chord. And it is also passing through the center. So it is a chord as well as a diameter. Can I say this?
Okay,
The
sir.
next statement. My
Yes,
next
sir.
statement is true or false. You have to tell me.
Okay,
Diameter
sir.
is a chord. Diameter is a
Sir,
type of.
now you can
Sir, true.
Sir,
Sir,
true.
true.
Sir, true. Sir,
True.
true.
Diameter is a type of chord. It is true. The statement is true. अभियान कुछ कह रहे थे अचानक से उठ के चल गए क्या हो गया नाराज हो गए क्या अभियान you were saying something AB is a diameter as well as a chord. So diameter is always a chord.
Yes, sir.
Is always a type of chord. हाँ जी अभियान what were you saying?
Okay, sir.
Sir, now we can say diameter as a chordometer.
और अच्छा ओहो नई टर्म निकाल दी है diameter is a chordometer. मैं बुक को I will request the mathematics authority of India if it is something there is something like this or not I don't know but if it exists I will send a request that there should be a new term known as chordometer. ठीक है so can we say this that diameter is the longest chord? Can we say this?
Yes, sir.
Diameter is the longest
नहीं,
chord.
नहीं.
Anji?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, next statement again you
So
have to.
circle extends on the center.
Yes, it passes through the center, so that will always be the longest chord.
Yes, sir.
Diameter is the longest chord. Can I draw more than one diameters in a circle? Yes or no?
Yes, sir,
yes.
it can be
Yes,
limited.
sir, unlimited.
sir. Yes, sir.
Unlimited number of
Unlimited number of
diameters.
diameters we can use in a circle.
Yes, sir.
So
Sir,
I am
like
I'm going to make two diameters, only two, in this circle. Both the
Sir, the
diameters,
example.
both the diameters are perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular का meaning होता है the angle is 90 degrees between them. This is a 90-degree angle. Okay, am I right or not? The angle is 90 degree. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Sir, it is 90.
So when we make two diameters like this, where the diameters are perpendicular to each other, the circle is divided into how many parts? Circle is
Four
divided-
parts.
it
Four
is divided
quarters.
into four parts.
Four
Each of the four
quarters.
parts are known as quadrants. So
Quarters.
there are four quadrants. Quad is a word used for what? मैंने बताया था आपको. Quad किस लिए use होता है? Quad word is used for four. Tri word कहाँ use होता है? The word tri, it is used
Sir,
for
three.
penta, 5,
Five.
hexa,
Yes, sir.
6,
Six.
Six, sir.
septa, 7,
Seven.
7.
8.
Eight.
तो
8.
quad के लिए क्या फोर के लिए क्या यूज करते हैं? Quad. So this is known as a quadrant.
Okay, sir.
Quadrant. So there are four quadrants. This is also a quadrant. This is also a quadrant, and this is also a quadrant. So there are four quadrants. Quadrants. चार हो गए. Okay. Understood what is a quadrant?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so there are four quadrants.
Yes,
in
sir.
the circle. If you draw two diameters perpendicular to each other, it divides the circle in four quadrants. Okay. Nice. अच्छा लगा जान के. Okay. Next thing that we will study about a circle. So many terms are there about a circle, related to a circle. How many different terms we have studied related to a circle? Plus radius, center, diameter of a circle, chord of a circle, semicircle, quadrant. All these terms we have already studied about a circle. I hope you all remember every term.
Yes, sir.
Very nice. That means my motive is more than half it is solved if you know all the terms very well. So it is on the right track. Okay. Radius भी मैं आपको बता चुका हूँ. Let us understand what is the arc of a circle. So this is a circle. Okay. This is a circle. And on the circle, if I take any 2 points A and B. So AB, if you don't join AB with the help of a line segment, AB को आप line segment की help से join करते हैं. If you take AB like this, a part of a circle is always known as arc. Okay. This is
Okay,
known as
sir.
arc.
Okay, sir.
Not a simple word. Arc,
Okay, sir.
very small word. Small, it has only three
Small
letters.
and easy.
Small and easy, short and sweet. Okay, arc. So this is also an arc of a circle. If I raise the rest of the circle, no problem in that also. So this is an arc of a circle. Got it? This is an arc of a circle. Okay.
Okay, sir.
What else is left? Okay, interior and exterior of a circle. Interior क्या होता है? Let me tell you what is the interior. Very easy to understand.
Sir,
Okay.
interior is from the inside and sir, exterior is from the outside.
So very easy to understand because it is clear from the words itself. The meaning of the words is समझ में आ रहा है. Okay, but clear. Circle इतना गंदा बन गया. Is it okay? This one? थोड़ा सा
Sir,
यहाँ
it's okay.
Okay, so this is a circle. It has two regions related to it. This region is known as the interior region, and the center wala region is known as the interior. So if I say that there is a point A, you will say this, that the point A is lying inside the circle. We can also say that it is in the interior of the circle. A point kahan par hai?
Yes, sir.
Interior pe hai. There is
Sir,
another
in
point B.
interior of this.
The point B is on the exterior of the circle. Point B कहाँ पर है?
Yes,
Interior
sir.
में है या exterior में? It is in the exterior.
Sir, exterior.
Exterior.
Okay. What about point P? P point कहाँ है? It is in the interior or exterior?
Sir, it is between.
No. मतलब interior or exterior.
Sir, interior.
Sir,
In-
exterior. Exterior.
We will not say
Sir,
that.
I think interior.
Listen. We will not say point P is on the, sorry, it is in the interior or is in the exterior. It is neither in the interior nor in the exterior. It is on the
Yes, sir.
circle. We will say that point P is on the circle.
Okay,
On
sir.
the circle.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
It is on the circle. So there are three regions. Point A, anything inside the circle is known as interior. Outside the circle it is known as exterior. And the rest of the part, any point if it is lying on the circle, so in very easy to understand, we will say that the
On
point
the
is
circle.
on the circle. Okay.
On the circle.
Neither
Okay, sir.
or in the exterior. So these are the terms related to this. One more thing that I have already told you, radius is equal to half of diameter. हम लोग पहले ही पढ़ चुके हैं. Okay.
Yes,
And
sir.
एक और चीज हमने पढ़ी थी, diameter is equal to twice of the radius. Okay. What else is left? Anything else left related to a circle? Diameter, quadrant, center, circumference. Circumference नहीं बात करी अभी हमने. Circumference, so I think they have also not explained right now. So there is only one exercise in the whole chapter.
Yes, sir.
Oh, chapter.
Yes, sir, there are very less exercises in some chapters.
Okay. Draw a circle which has a diameter of 9 centimeter, mark the center O, the diameter PQ, a record CD, radius OR, and exterior point A, and interior point B. अच्छा सब कुछ लिखा डालेंगे एक ही चीज में है. अच्छा कुछ है ही नहीं इसमें, तो फिर तो बहुत easy है. Using a ruler and compass, draw circles given radius. Find the diameter of these if the radius are this. Find the radius of circle, the diameter of this. This exercise is a very small exercise and it has only, the whole chapter has only one exercise. Okay. Okay, one more thing, one more term is left, circumference. Let us do that term also. And then I will tell
Okay,
you what to
sir.
write in your notebooks. मैं आपको बताऊंगा notebook में क्या लिखना है. Okay. Who is this? Okay, so the term is circumference. The term is known as circumference of a circle. So there is a circular park near my home. Circular park. Have you ever seen a circular park? Have you ever been to a circular park? कभी गए हैं आप circular park में, which is in the shape of a
No,
circle?
sir.
No, never.
No, sir.
So near my
Sir,
home
no,
there is
sir.
there is an
Sir,
imaginary
rectangle. Sir,
You have been,
rectangle and square.
you have been to rectangular parks. Okay, you have not been to circular parks. So near my home there is an imaginary circular park. Okay.
I have gone to a circular park.
Where? Chandigarh.
Yes, sir, it is a nature park. It has many plants.
अरे वाह. Very nice.
Sir, in that park, there is a circular sort of garden. It has
Okay.
flowers and
And sir,
leaves
Sukhna
inside it,
Lake is
plants.
also round. Sir,
Okay.
Sukhna Lake is also round.
Okay. So in that circular park, if I start from point A and then I keep on running on the boundary of the circles, this is known as the boundary of the circle. If I keep on running and then again I reach to point A, मैंने A से भागना शुरू करा, point A से circle की boundary के ऊपर मैं भाग रहा हूँ. I'm running on the boundary. I keep on running, keep on running, keep on running, and then again when I reach to point A, finally complete the whole circle. When I reach to point A, then the distance covered by me on the circle, on the boundary on the circle, on the boundary of the circle, this is known as circumference.
Okay, sir.
Understood? So this is known as
Yes, sir.
the boundary. The length of the boundary of the circle is known as circumference of the circle. Understood?
Yes,
the
sir.
period is over.
Okay, so that this is it for today. We will be meeting in the next class, which is tomorrow. Okay,
Yes, sir.
bye bye.
Okay, bye-bye, sir. Thank you,
Bye
sir, for
bye.
teaching us.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.